Up till now, we have guided you how to download the OTG HR app from Play Store, how to log in, how to onboard an employee in your property, and how to capture team face attendance. Now it is time for us to show you how to view the reports in the OTG HR app. So we click on OTG HR app. Once we log in, there are two options, attendance tag and attendance report. Now first we choose attendance tag. The page will load and we can see that as on a given particular date, the list of employees are there with their in and out punch details. So we can go to the search option and search an employee whose attendance we want to view. We choose Sharmishta and we can see that there are several in and out movements, and further if we choose any row and click on the time, we get the selfie image as well as the locational details. So this is the movement report. We go back and we choose the filter. In the filter section, you can see there is checked in, checked out, not checked in, several parameters. So if we choose any particular parameter, say checked out, and filter it, we'll get the list of employees who have checked out. Similarly, we can go and select checked in and filter. We'll get the list of the employees who have checked in today. So you can also edit the date. You can go back to a historical date, say let's say 25th or 26th, and accordingly you can see the attendance details for that particular day in this app. So we go back to attendance report, and attendance report is nothing but a summarized or a periodic report, and similarly here we can choose the employee and we can see the attendance details for a particular range of date with a start and end date. You can also get the summarized count of present, absent, early, late, holiday, weekly off, tour, leave. Basically, you get all the details from this attendance report. Thank you so much.